for today's video, guys. So it's lunch time, so we still living here at church. This is our church. So he's still living here because he's still always always because she is still after always after shock, still always after shock. Agay, na-shock ko.
So very earthquake.
Yang kawan.
I just now finished it. Still not toothbrush. So